Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. If you are new to my channel, my name's Molly. Thank you for stopping by. I do a lot of keto recipes, a lot of meal prepping. I'm doing a collaboration today with some of my friends that are gonna do keto recipes, some other YouTube cooks. So this collaboration is organized by my friend Doreen. I'm gonna link her channel in the description box, so check that out. So she wanted us to all do this collaboration doing keto meals. And the kicker is that everything has to be from the pantry. So I couldn't use anything from my refrigerator, which I knew exactly what I was gonna make as soon as I heard this challenge. I am making my favorite keto protein balls. Everything's from the pantry, 4 ingredients, so easy, so simple. If you've been around my channel before, you know that I just love easy recipes and like to do lots of big batches of everything so that tons of food is always ready to go. So I have just plain creamy peanut butter. You can use almond butter as well. I have no sugar added chocolate chips, coconut flour, and I have sugar-free syrup. So 4 simple ingredients from my pantry, really easy. I always make the mistake and make 1 batch of these. So today I'm gonna make 2 batches because everyone in my family loves these and they just don't last very long. So I'm gonna make a double batch today. I'll put the recipe in the description box if you wanna make these. So easy and so good. A really great healthy snack to have if you're on the go. I could just grab one of these and they're just so good. Really like curbs that sugar craving if you get those in the afternoon. These are perfect. So I will get these all made up and ready to go for the week. All right, I have my 4 simple ingredients from my pantry, 2 cups of peanut butter, I have 1 cup of coconut flour, and I have 1 cup of sugar-free syrup. Like I said, I did double this batch, so if you wanted to do half of everything, that would be awesome also. It would still make a good sized batch, I just wanted to make a ton of extra. So this is going to be really thick, so it's going to take quite a bit of stirring. So I'll just stir it around and make sure I stir up all of the peanut butter, all of the coconut flour, all of the syrup, and just make sure that it's combined all the way. So once it is all the way mixed, I'm going to add in the chocolate chips. So it's really thick right now, but it's perfect for these protein balls. So I'm going to use about a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. So if you want to keep it keto, try and do the sugar-free. If you're not doing keto, just go ahead and use whatever kind of chocolate chips you like. So I'm just going to mix all of this together. Like I said, it is super thick, but it is really delicious. And after it is mixed, I will form it all into small individual sized balls, and they will be ready to go. All right, so now that everything's mixed, I'm going to form them into my balls. I have a cookie sheet lined with my baking mat, which I just love. I use for everything, but you can use just like a regular plate lined with parchment paper, but just something that's non-stick because I'm going to set each one of these protein balls on my baking mat, and then I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let them harden and set up, and then I'm going to store them in the refrigerator in an airtight container once they're all hardened so that they don't all stick together. But so I'm going to just line them without touching, and it's really great to have like a baking mat or parchment paper. I use this baking mat for everything. I'll link it in the description. Got it on Amazon, and it's really awesome and just so convenient and really easy for cleanup. So I have all of the protein balls all lined out. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. You can put them in the freezer also. It would take less time in the freezer, of course, to harden up. But I'm going to set these in the fridge for a little bit, and then they will be all done. And this was such a fun, really, really easy keto recipe with everything out of my pantry, like I said. So it was really fun to do this. I love making these, and that's why I made a double batch. because I feel like I just never get enough because my family always steals them from me. So anyways, this batch is going to give us all plenty. We won't have to fight over them on who's going to have the last one. So anyways, these are so good. I will put in the description box the amount of each ingredient if you want to make these, because they are so easy. Anybody can do this. So I hope that you give these a try. A really great snack to have if you are on the go, want something really healthy, want something keto friendly. And these are just so good. So now they're ready to go into the refrigerator. So I'll pop them in and then I'll show you. They look exactly the same when they come out of the fridge, but these are so good. So here they are, all ready to go. So if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe. I had so much fun with this collaboration. Thank you, Doreen. And I will see you guys all next time. I hope you have a great day.